I'm just filming Heidi. Just be a second. Oh, I just got busted. What are you doing? Yummy. Yeah, are you really that thirsty? Oh my. Yummy. I don't know if that's such a good idea. Do you want Mommy to get you a drink of water? Hadassah? Hadassah? Would you like Mommy to get you a drink of water? Okay, enough is enough.